Today I'm going to show you how to do inverse backpack and a combo that includes mini-gen and inverse backpack. So before you learn this, you should learn how to do regular backpack and mini-gen first. And both of those videos are in our channel, so you can go check them out. So firstly, inverse backpack, this one, it's really easy. It's the exact same thing as backpack, except instead of catching the yo-yo on the bottom of your string here, instead of going like this, you're just going to catch it on the top of the string. So you're going to go like that. And then after that, the movement is exactly the same. So you're just going to swing around, and then bam, that's it. You do, however, end with a cross string, and so you will need to do a cross and toss, or you'll have to switch hands. And that's mainly the reason why we don't use this instead of regular backpack, because it's a lot easier to catch it on the top of your string than to catch it on the bottom like backpack. So that cross is what prevents us from really being able to do that. So the only reason why we use inverse backpack, because it gives us a cross, is because we want to use it in combos, and sometimes we do want the cross, or if you want to like turn 180. So that's the combo we're going to show you today. So this one is mini-gen and inverse backpack, and if you're relatively new to yo-yo, a combo is basically just a bunch of tricks stringed together to make them look better. So when we're performing, usually a bunch of like simple tricks put together like really smoothly looks a lot better than just like a really hard trick. So the original purpose of this combo was just to connect inverse backpack and mini-gen, because you need a cross string for mini-gen, and inverse backpack conveniently gives us a cross. But as you know, as we're doing inverse backpack, your yo-yo is traveling this way, but mini-gen requires that we travel this way, right? So it doesn't look smooth if we just go like that and then mini-gen. So that's why we add in the rest of the combos. So the other parts are 2 suns and 1 lantern, and that's what helps us change direction. So you're gonna go inverse backpack, sun, lantern, then sun back to mini-gen. So preferably we would rather just go straight from inverse backpack to lantern than back around, but because their strings are crossed, when we do the lantern, the yo-yo will actually follow the string. So we need to do the sun first, then we can do the lantern without dropping, then sun back to mini-gen, okay? So I'll show it again, and then I will include a slow motion clip. So we're going to do inverse backpack to sun to lantern, left side, then back across, sun the opposite direction, then to mini-gen side. So you need to be pretty familiar with mini-gen for this one, because you need to flow directly from the sun into the mini-gen. Because if you stop in the middle and like just try to get your bearing and like, oh, okay, getting ready for mini-gen, like it needs to be fast, it needs to be smooth. That's the point of a combo, right? So practice your mini-gen, be able to comfortably do it from sun into mini-gen, and then connect it in the combo. Sun, lantern, sun back, mini-gen. So one tip I have for this one, transitioning from sun into mini-gen, is to hold your stick between your second and third fingers. So as I did the lantern, coming back around, do the sun. Once I'm at the top, I change my grip on my right hand. So watch my right hand here. I change my grip, and then now I'm gripping it in my second and third fingers, and that's the basic position for mini-gen. That allows me to throw the stick off and catch this string. So as I'm changing position here, then I can go straight to the mini-gen, like that.